When I was 16 years old, I had what was called transverse myelitis. It's basically a virus in my spine. And it paralyzed my legs and basically collected a lot of pain, especially sitting in my knee. And I've got, because I'm not a complete spinal cord injury, I'm incomplete. That means that, I've got sensation, certain amount of sensation here and there, spotty sensation, and so I could feel a lot of aches and pains. And I went to the ARP wave mainly to try to get rid of my pain so I could sit more and be a lot more productive in life. And as I read up and started doing the ARP wave, I saw how it did all these other things, like it helped muscle spasticity and it helped atrophy, and everything that it talked about was besides the pain. And so I just raised my hand and said, hey, I'd like to try this. And so I started doing it, and each treatment was kind of a new and different experience, and it was kind of fun because I totally forgot about everything except trying to move my feet, trying to move my toes. And then, one day, just about a week ago, I woke up and went, I don't have any more pain.
Wow.
And so that was the kind of unique situations that I totally forgot about my aches, and so I realized that it's working in many different aspects.
Yeah.